December 27th, we had a pretty decent ice storm. Nothing catastrophic, but I do know there's a lot of trees down and power lines down around here. Whew. The rink definitely took a lot of sleet and freezing rain. It's really rough when it's solid. The kids could probably skate on it, but there's a few weird spots here. I'm not really sure what's going on over there and over there. It's like not frozen there. I don't know. I'm sure they're draining over there or something. I really couldn't gather to guess what it was from. But whew. Yesterday, during the ice storm at the end of it, I came out to the rink and you could just tell that by pushing on it, I was down here at this end, and it was ice on top and then water underneath it and then our solid ice. But all this bumpiness is because we had sleet while it was freezing rain, so it froze pretty bumpy, so I could easily get this back to skatable condition, a few light resurfaces, and just getting the kids out skating. The puck could be bouncing pretty good right now, but tomorrow it's supposed to hit +6 and it's supposed to rain, and then it's supposed to get really cold again. So basically at this point, just maintaining the ice, just sitting back and waiting, I guess. I could possibly get the kids out on it today just to skate around, but I don't know, with this area here, it seems soft. I'm really not sure why. I think maybe because the water was running over here. We had so much freezing rain, it came up over the sides where it's low. So I'm wondering if that did it. Although, yeah, kind of weird that happened, but whatever. We'll be back in no time. 29th is supposed to get really cold overnight on the 28th, so I'm sure the kids will be skating again. Probably before New Year's, at least before they go back to school. So bit of a speed bump here, but our season is not over. Just getting started.
So rough.
It's rough, eh?
So hard to shoot. I know how it's done.
Everything is ice. Whew. Whew. The ice storm was brutal to this rink.